This is the new to me, new technologies or new to me number two video. I chose Flipgrid. I know we've been introduced to it in class. However, I've never used it. I've heard about it. Um, I used it in this class one time. Uh, I could see its use being valuable in my classroom for content areas to ask questions and get short video responses from people in class or at school. I could also use it um, as a way to break up uh, some some professional development time. Sometimes those things can get a little bit long and people can become uninterested. This might be a fun way to get some quick video recorded responses from teachers participating in that. I'm going to take you through uh, just kind of the basics of what I have learned or what I'm learning. I signed up as an educator on here. I looked at discovery, and then it kind of gives you um, things that you can look at that will help you get started with this. You can view all topics, and it's got assignments here for that people have created that might help you get started. I'm looking at this as a social studies from a social studies perspective. We've talked about this in my class before, refugees and girls' education and world history. And it just kind of gives you ways um, that you can get started to create a response video or record a response so that students can get back to you and resources that help you do that. Um, I think that's what I would use it for to get responses to either essential questions or review questions in a social studies class. I felt like this went along with the educational leadership or educators as leaders ISTE standards 1B and 1C. 1B says ensure all students have access to the technology and connectivity necessary to participate in authentic and engaging learning programs. That would be me using it in class where everybody has access to um, the program and internet access. And 1C model digital citizenship by critically evaluating online resources, engaging in civil discourse online, and using digital tools to contribute to positive social change. Thank you.